So I've picked a blend for medium roast. It's our 360 Rainforest Alliance, 100% Arabica. So medium roast coffee, what does that mean? It just means that it's been cooked for a little bit longer. Now because it's been cooked for a little bit longer, I'm going to stop the process around about 9 minutes. Those sugars have had a chance to caramelize a little more. That increases the sweetness, which along with the acidity we already have in the coffee gives a really nice balance. This coffee lends itself perfectly to small flat whites, cappuccinos. It mixes wonderfully with milk.
For the medium roast coffee, I've matched this with a raspberry and pistachio mousse. I've made a pistachio financier, which is on the base, got a really nice crunchy pistachio, deep pistachio flavour on the bottom. I've put a raspberry crumb as well, so it's nice and sharp. It's got a little bit of acidity as well, and it's not too sweet. And I've done a very light raspberry mousse for the top and glazed it in a very shiny red glaze, so you get a real bright note to it. When you expect to eat raspberries, you want something that's a little bit sharp, a little bit sweet, but it has a very nice balance, and it doesn't have the same acidity you would have in a very bright sort of light roast.
Working with Sarah, medium roast coffee, for me it's all about the balance. It's all about some acidity, sweetness, and getting those two things right on a plate as a dessert is essential. Getting those two things right in the cup as a coffee, it's exactly the same thing.